Kirkum, I'm a footwear designer based in London. Welcome to my British Fashion Council Designer Diaries. I want the future to be a place where the fashion industry can be less driven by newness and by trends and more by the community and making projects that are important. I want the future to be a place where we can all strive to use sustainably sourced materials but also be more resourceful with the materials we use. There's so much stuff that already exists and a lot of my practice is always about being resourceful with those, and also for consumers to feel more ownership over their products, to be more independent and rely less on the industry. My work is inspired a lot by the actual materiality of the recycled materials that I get. So I work with a recycling centre in London called Trade, and I collect some of their odd shoes that they can't do anything with, and I use those, break them all down into their component pieces and use those to create new sneakers for individual clients. So I'm really always inspired by the materiality of the pieces, how the pieces are maybe worn and affected, and using those to create these beautiful stories and memories within products.